What if it was easy to attract really good cleaning clients for your business? Clients that were high paying, loyal clients that you actually love to work with. Well, that was my reality for 30 years running my own cleaning business. And lately I've been hearing a lot of cleaning business owners on social media, Facebook groups and whatnot, complaining about how hard it is to find clients, how hard it is to find high-paying, good clients in your cleaning business. And I find this a little crazy because in my business, I never struggled to get clients. Clients were always coming to me, high-paying. Now, granted, I had my few that I had to fire, but for the most part, they were all high-paying, loyal clients that stayed with me for a long time. And what I'm finding is that these people that are saying that they can't find clients are actually, that's all they're saying. They're constantly bitching that they don't have clients. Now, I'm a huge believer in energy and things that we say, like words are very powerful. So, in my opinion, by saying and complaining about not having clients, that is what exactly you are going to attract, no clients. Instead, try saying something like, I'm attracting or I'm learning to attract clients with ease, and feel and see the difference in how you feel.